My house is very near the motorway.
It must be very noisy.
You've been travelling all day. You must be tired.
Joe is a hard worker.
Joe? You must be joking. He doesn't do anything.
Louise must get very bored in her job. She does the same thing every day.
I'm sure Sally gave me her address. I must have it somewhere.
You've just
There's nobody at home. They must have gone out.
We used to live very near the motorway.
Did you? It must have been noisy.
I've lost one of my gloves.
You must have dropped it somewhere.
Sarah hasn't contacted me. She can't have got my message.
Tom walked into a wall. He can't have been looking where he was.